I wonder what secrets are hidden up here in the old town hall attic.
It is so dark and quiet, like nobody has been here for 100 years. There are so many old boxes and forgotten things covered in dust.
This trunk looks very special. Let me see if I can open it.
Wow! Look at all these bright, colorful fabrics inside. This is beautiful. It has drawings of music, food, and happy people.
It says, "The Great Summer Festival." I have never heard of this before.
Why does nobody in our town talk about this big celebration?
Look at this old photo. The entire town square is full of lights.
Wait, is that young Grandpa Joe? He is smiling so brightly. I need to take these home and ask Grandpa Joe about this right now. If this festival was so amazing, why did everyone forget about it?
Hello, Ben. You look like you found a real treasure today.
Grandpa, look! I found this beautiful banner in the town hall attic.
Oh my goodness. I haven't seen this design in almost 40 years.
This was the heart of our community. We called it the Summer Festival.
Why did we stop celebrating it, Grandpa? What happened to the tradition?
Life just got too busy, Ben. People forgot to make time for joy together.
But look how happy everyone was. We need to bring this magic back.
It is a beautiful dream, my boy, but it takes a lot of work to make a festival.
I can do it. I will ask my friends and neighbors to help us.
First, I need to talk to Lucy and Noah. They love big adventures.
Hey, Ben. What is that colorful thing you are carrying?
This is a banner from a forgotten festival. I want to recreate it next week.
This is so cool. Look at the stars and the bright yellow sun on it. But Ben, how do we start? We don't know the songs or the games. I found this old journal too. It has recipes, song lyrics, and game rules. I can help make the paper lanterns and paint new colorful banners. And I can talk to our music teacher to help us learn the forgotten songs. Awesome! Let's go to school tomorrow and ask Miss Emma for help.
A forgotten town festival? What a wonderful history project for the class! We can use our art class to make the traditional handmade decorations.
I want to paint the banners. I can bring flowers from my garden. There is a special honey cake recipe here. Can we bake it? Excuse me, Mr. Baker. Do you remember this special festival honey cake?
Wow, my grandmother used to bake this. I would love to make it again.
Now we need to ask our neighbors to join the big celebration. Hello, Mrs. Davis. Do you remember the old summer festival?
Oh, yes. I remember dancing in the street when I was just your age.
I still have my old acoustic guitar. I would love to play those songs again.
To make it official, we must get permission from Mayor Thomas.
Hello, children. What brings you to the mayor's office today?
Mr. Mayor, we want to bring back the Forgotten Summer Festival next Saturday.
The summer festival? I remember this from when I was a little boy.
But the town budget is small, and we don't have workers to set it up.
We don't need money, Mr. Mayor. We have volunteers who want to help.
Your spirit reminds me of what makes our town so special, Ben.
Approved. You have permission to use Festival Square for the celebration.
We did it! Now we have to get to work and build everything! Make sure to use lots of yellow and red paint for the sun. This lantern will look so beautiful when we put a light inside.
That's it. Keep the beat steady, just like we did in the old days.
The construction team is working fast. The square is changing already.
This is hard work, but it is going to be so worth it.
Pull the rope a little tighter on the right side, please.
I hope people actually show up tomorrow. What if they forgot again?
Don't worry, Ben. They are coming. Just listen closely.
Welcome to the Great Summer Festival, everyone! Come join us!
Wow! Look at all the people! The entire town is here!
This honey cake is delicious! It tastes just like the old stories.
Thank you, everyone. Let's sing the traditional song of our beautiful town.
The music is so happy, and everyone knows the words now.
I haven't seen you in years. This festival is a wonderful surprise.
This is incredible. The town feels alive and warm once again.
Here is a lantern for you. We will light them when the sun goes down.
The day is turning into a beautiful, warm summer night.
Look at the lights! The square looks exactly like the old photograph now.
Our wishes are flying high tonight, carrying our happy memories. It is the most beautiful sight I have ever seen in our town.
You did it, Ben. You brought the whole community back together.
I didn't do it alone, Grandpa. Everyone helped make this dream real. Come on, everyone! The fireworks show is about to start on the hill!
This is the perfect place to watch the night sky light up.
Wow! Look at that giant red star in the sky!
The fireworks are beautiful. They are like giant glowing flowers.
This is the best night of the entire summer. I never want it to end.
Ben, you have created a new tradition that we will never forget again. 40 years ago was beautiful, but tonight is even more special.
The community is united, sharing stories and laughing together in the dark.
I am so glad I climbed up to that dusty attic last week.
The symbols of our past are now the promises of our bright future. This is our home, and this is our beautiful, shared history.
Next year, we will make the festival even bigger and brighter. We will keep this book safe, so nobody ever forgets our traditions again. All it takes is one small idea to bring a whole town together.